Let's spray baste this quickly. If you're making a pot holder without a pocket, what you need to do is, I'll spray baste like in this one. You just need a bit of the spray to hold this, and then just a little bit more to hold the top piece. I'll go and press this, and then I'll quilt a few lines, so I've got a quilt sandwich. So here's my quilt sandwich. Insel Bright and 2 pieces of quilting cotton. I'll quilt it starting in the middle. To create a pot holder without pockets, you only need a quilt sandwich. This one's 8 by 8. Use the main piece from my free pattern at applegreencottage.com, and you'll also need a piece for the hanging loop. You'll create the hanging loop. I have pressed the 2 raw edges towards the center and then folded again, and now I'll top stitch to get the hanging loop. This is what I have now. And I'll fold the loop in half and decide where to put it. I can place it on the front side or on the back side. I'll choose this one. And now it's time to add binding. Start with the back side and fold the end under by 3/8 of an inch or something like that. I'll start here. Just lay the bias tape flat on the edge of your circle. No need to pull. And once I'm here at the starting spot, just clip and allow for an inch or so and cut off the remaining part. Start somewhere here. Doesn't matter where, just go around. And now I just need to turn the ends and flip them to the other side. And I also flip the entire circle. Clip. I'll stitch around. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Visit Apple Ring Cottage for the free pattern and happy sewing!